When you want to build an online presence, two names come up again and again, Wix and the Shopify. Both tools help you to create an online site, but they are built for the slightly different purpose. Wix is mainly a website builder that lets you create all kinds of sites, while Shopify is a dedicated e-commerce platform for online selling. If you are confused about which one to choose for your business, this video will explain everything for you. Wix makes website building quick and beginner friendly. You can create a business website, portfolio, blog, or a small store with its drag and drop system. On the other side, Shopify focuses more deeply on selling online and with tools to manage products, payments, shipping, inventory, and more. Although both help you to be online, but their goal and strengths are different. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you choosing the best tools without any confusion. In today's video, we are comparing Wix and Shopify so you understand the difference between a website builder and e-commerce platform and which one is better for your goals. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to try both platforms yourself. By using the description links, any available free plans, trials or special pricing, that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video, and first of all let's start with Wix. Basically, Wix is a website builder that lets you design your site using just drag and drop features. This means you can place the text, images, buttons and videos anywhere you like without writing code. It is very beginner friendly, especially if you are building your first website. You start by choosing a template that fits your style, then you can customize it with your own logo, colors, fonts and content. Because of this simplicity, many small business bloggers and creative persons mainly choose Wix to build a clean and functional websites quickly. On Wix, you can create pages like home, about, then services, contact, and even add a small store section. This website editor always shows everything visually. So what you see on the screen is what your visitors will see. If design matters to you and you want control over every detail without any technical work, Wix makes it easy. Wix also provides tools like forms, galleries, blogs, booking systems, and email marketing integrations that help you to engage with your audience. You can add apps from the Wix app market to add more features like live chat, reservation systems, or newsletter sign-up forms. This makes your website more interactive and useful without needing any programming skills. Now let's talk about the Shopify. Shopify is built especially for online selling. Its main purpose is to help you to create and run an e-commerce store that you can handle product, payments, the inventory, shipping, taxes, and customer orders smoothly. Unlike Wix, Shopify's features are focused on making selling easy, even if you have hundreds of thousands of products. When you build a store on Shopify, you get product management, shipping cart, checkout, payment gateways, and order tracking all in one place. Shopify also supports multiple sales channels, which means you can sell not only on your website but also on social media, marketplaces, and in person with the same system. All sales and inventory stay synchronized, so you don't need to update information in many different places. Another strong point of Shopify is that the payment systems. Shopify payments allow you to accept the credit card, digital wallets, and other payment options without much technical setup. The platform also calculates taxes based on your location and shipping zones automatically. For many sellers, this reduces a lot of headache every month and makes the checkout experience much smoother for customers. When it comes to ease of use, both Wix and Shopify are beginner friendly, but in different ways. Wix is very easy to start with when building a general website because everything works visually. Shopify is also easy for e-commerce because it guides you step by step through adding product, setting prices, choosing the payment method, and launching your store. In both cases, you don't need any coding knowledge, but Shopify focuses more on online selling details. Now let's talk about the flexibility and features. Wix offer more freedom in design and layout. you can build almost any type of website and make it look exactly what you want. Shopify, while also customizable, puts more emphasis on store performance and sales tools. Its themes are optimized for conversions and product discovery. If your main goal is e-commerce growth, Shopify's tools and apps are built for the purpose. Pricing is another thing to consider. Both platforms offer different plans based on the features and scale. Wix plans usually start the lower because they focus on general websites. Shopify plans may cost a bit more because they include advanced e-commerce features like built-in payment processing, shipping management, and sales tools. For many users, the extra cost of Shopify can be worth it because it saves time and makes selling smoother. So that's all basically for today's video. If this comparison helped you to understand the difference between Wix and Shopify, give this video a like and subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more simple tech guidance and honest tool reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.